Hi everybody, I am doing an unboxing today. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, but this is a birthday present from my parents. And this was purchased on eBay. I'm going to get it authenticated after I open it, but here is the box. Here is the dust bag. Oh my goodness. I've actually owned this item before and I have since sold it because I didn't like the color, but now I'm getting it again because I actually did enjoy the bag. So, to reveal, ta-da! This is the Louis Vuitton Diane in the PM size in the monogram canvas with the pre-patinaed. And then this one comes with the two straps, which is the detachable leather strap and the detachable jacquard strap. This is another reason why I didn't purchase this monogram and I purchased the Dove Gray, which is the leather version, because I didn't like the strap combo. It's just giving really, I don't know, like kiddish. No offense to whoever owns this bag. I never really was a fan of this. Plus, it's non-adjustable. The other jacquard strap, which I will link my unboxing for when I actually purchase the item in my description box down below. Again, I've owned this in the Dove Gray, which is the full leather version. This is the canvas version, which magnetic clasp. The two straps, which you can see the hooks can be inside or outside. There is a back slip pocket right here and a zipper pocket on the interior. This one is made in France and textile lining. And yeah, I'm gonna get it authenticated. Wish me luck. Hopefully it is authentic because I did get a good price on it, or I should say my parents got a good deal on it. So far nothing is sticking out to me. Yeah, what do you guys think? You let me know. Here is the bag. I know that the dust bag it came with is not the typical dust bag the Louis Vuitton bags typically come in, but I have had, you know, sometimes I request a drawstring bag for any of my non-capucines bag because this dust bag is only for capucines bags, and sometimes I've gotten it, and so that's not a big red flag to me. I don't know. Here is the bag with the leather strap. I am 5 foot for reference. Here is where it hits me. It's very comfortable. It's very cute. I like that it hits me above the hips. And I'll try it on with the long strap. Here is the strap. Here is where it hits me, which is like the bottom of the bag is above my thigh, and my hip area, it's below my waist as well. So it's not a terrible location for it to hit me. I just really don't like the strap. But yes, this is... Hope you guys